Good morning, children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths, term 2. I hope you everyone learn the class and do the class work and attend the test this term 2. Shall I move now? This is the new book, term 2, volume 2, 4th standard maths. Geometry, numbers, pattern, measurement, time, fraction, information processing. First, shall I start now? This is for term 2, unit 1, geometry. First term is also you studied for geometry, but you studied for 2D shapes and 3D shapes. That 3D shapes is used for cube, cuboid, cone, pyramid, cylinder. Now you learn the concept today. Difference between 2D and 3D objects. First one here given for concept 2D and 3D. Definition for 2D is a square shape, so two-dimensional. 3D is a cube, cuboid, so three-dimensional. Dimension is saying here length and breadth. This one saying here length, height, width. Example, square, rectangle, circle, triangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, quadrangle. Here 3D shapes cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, pyramid. So this is the rectangle shape. So here this one having for breadth and length. Only two-dimensional. This is the length, this is the breadth. But here using for cylinder shape. So this one is the length. Then here having for breadth. This one line is saying for width. This line is saying for. This one is a circle shape. So this one circle is having the length and breadth only. So this is for 2D shapes. This is for 3D shapes. Cylinder shape. So this cylinder shape is having for length, height, length. This one is a width. Then this rotating all the sides is saying here width. Length, height, width. Already you studied for 3D shapes. So 3D shapes is having for length, height, breadth, width. 2D shapes is having only length and breadth. 3D shapes is having for length, height and width. So square, rectangle, circle is having only two sides. Two-dimensional. So you see for two-dimensional only. But 3D shapes is saying here cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and pyramid. Then next one, symmetry. Introduction of symmetry. Symmetry, in our day-to-day activity we see many leaves of plant, birds, wings of butterflies. The figure which can be divided in two parts. The figure which can be divided in two parts of equal shape and size are called symmetrical. Figure. Here given the example for taken for square, rectangle, then leaf. So draw the line and cut for the figure. So use for this of or straight line or cross diagonals, that is possible to cut the square shape. Rectangle you cut for off. Leaf you cut the off leaf. So this two of a figure. You cut the figure on straight line. That one image you get for mirror image of each other. So for half of the figure you cut. That shape is no change. Only same position of the page of figure is saying for symmetry. Symmetry is more or less same. So this one dragonfly, butterfly, half part is given here. Then you imagine for half part and draw this completed that. That one is saying for mirror symmetry. That one is saying for mirror symmetry. The next one, symmetry. The line which divides a figure. The line which divides a figure in two equal half is called the line symmetry. Okay. Symmetry in geometrical shapes. Here taken for square shape. So first draw how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get for this one off or diagonals. 1, 2 diagonals you cut the square shape and you get for same. Or other you folded for this off or height of. Length or height you change to off part, you get for the symmetry. I show you now. I take now square paper. I folded this. So shape is no change. Square shape is now get for triangle. But this off is here. This. So first one, second one. So second one, first one, shape is no changes. That's why this one is called for symmetry. Okay. Or otherwise, use the another one method. This one, then next one. So this is for 3. This is for 4. So no changes this. So this is your 1, 2, 3, 4. But you fold it anyway, that one is get for the same opposite shape. Shape is no changes. Here you get for rectangle. Here you get for rectangle. But you fold it for diagonal. You get for triangle. You get for triangle. Or you fold it for off. Then you get for rectangle shape. So this shape is no change. Yes, here also no change. So this is for line symmetry. So a square has how many lines? 4 lines. So a square has 4 line symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the first line, second line, third line. This is the fourth line. So this is the line symmetry. Rectangle has 2 lines. Circle has how many off to cut or draw the lines? All the part is equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the parts is equal lines. So this one infinite line. Then equivalent to triangle. So this one draw the line for 1, 2, 3. So 3 line symmetry. Okay. Symmetry in a geometrical shapes. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle has 1, 2. 2 line symmetry. Circle has infinite lines. So this one is not end. That's one saying here, infinite. I-N-F-I-N-I-T-E, infinite lines of symmetry. Then next one, equilateral triangle. 1, 2, 3 lines. So this is the line symmetry. Okay children. The next one, activity. Take a square paper. You fold it for half. Then you get the square shape. Then draw the line and draw the curve line. Then you get the figure, this one. I show you. This is a square paper. Then I fold it and get for 4 folder. Then I get the shapes and cut it here. This one shape I draw it here and cut this square paper. Then you get the shape for so take the square paper and fold it for rectangle and square shape. Then draw the line. Then you cut it and get the paper for now flower shapes. Any one design you draw and cut it this. Then you get the design for all the 4 edges. Okay. This is for symmetry. Only I cut for one side. But you get the design as fully. All the sides you get the designs. This one is called for symmetry. Okay children. I show you now 2. So how many designs you want, then folded the paper and cut it and get the design. This is used for color paper and decoration paper. Use this. Ayudha Puja is coming soon. So you get the design on decoration paper created and do this home to colorful. Okay children. Take the paper for rectangle. Then you fold it for half. So you get for A and B is the dot. Then draw the design for leaf or flower. Then you cut the shape and take it out for this part for green. So you get the shape for symmetry that I show now. Similarly, I draw this. Take the square paper and draw the line. Then cut it and get the shapes. Okay. This one is the activity you do in your home and use for different color papers. Okay children. The next one, exercise 1.1. Draw the mirror image. Here the pencil. So opposite side also draw the same look like pencil. Here shape. So you draw for opposite side. Here given circle, half circle. So you complete it close circle. This one also line. Then rectangle shape. So this is the exercise 1.1. You draw the mirror image. Term 2, Unit 1, Geometry. First one, difference between 2D and 3D objects. So write in your classwork, concept 2D, 3D, definition 2 dimension, 3 dimension, dimension, length and breadth, length, height and width. Examples, square shape, rectangle, circle, triangle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, quadrant. Here, this is for 2D shapes. Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, pyramid. This is for 3D shapes. Okay. The next one, write in your classwork 1.1. Exercise symmetry. The figure which can be divided in 2 parts of equal shape and size are called symmetrical. Here taken for square shape, rectangle shape and one leaf. So you cut the line or draw the line. Then you get for mirror image. Opposite sides is also same image. That one is saying call here mirror image. Here I take a letter A and butterfly. Then draw the line and you get for mirror image. So this one off, then next one off is also same. Here first part and second part is also same. That is saying here symmetry. Okay children. The next one topic symmetry in geometrical shapes. So this one you used to write in your classwork. The line which divides a figure into equal half is called the line of symmetry. Here draw the square shape. So this square shape is having for 4 lines of symmetry. Then rectangle. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Here draw the circle. A circle has how many lines? So not countable. So all the spaces is same gap. So that one is saying here all possible to more draw the line. 2 more lines or 3 more lines is also possible to draw the lines. So that's why is here written for infinite. I-N-F-I-N-I-T-E. A circle has infinite line of symmetry. The next one equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle is cut for 1, 2, 3. Only 3 lines possible to draw the symmetry. Okay children, you understand the concept for symmetry of your geometrical shapes. Then next one, exercise number 1.1, draw the mirror image. Here given for pencil, so you draw for opposite side, same image. Here the same. There circle of circle, completed this. Line is also same. Then rectangle is also same. This is the mirror image. So easy to find out this the straight line. So this straight line is cut for the mirror image. Opposite side is also same. So easy to draw this one. Look here and easy to understand this concept. So you draw the images in your classwork. Okay children. The next one, exercise number 1.2. Draw the lines of symmetry in each of the following figure. First one is here. So cut the line for this straight line. So you get the symmetry. Here, yes, line symmetry, you draw the off cut. Here also off cut. Here also off cut. But this one standing line, this one sleeping line. Okay, first and last for sleeping line. Then second and third for standing lines. Any one method to use to draw the line, then you get for symmetry shape in the figure. Okay. You learned the concept today, symmetry and line symmetry. Thank you children.